Hello, welcome to Otis Place. Today's video, I'm going to show you how I've been able to use mini twists and twists in general to grow my hair from this length to this length. Now, there are a few things I've been able to do to retain this length, and I'm going to share them in this video. If that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. Now, my hair is washed. I always make my twists on washed hair. I had washed my hair 3 days before this, before deciding to put it in twists. I wanted my hair to be a little bit stretched. I'm not making these twists on wet hair. I always make sure I put my hair in sections. Making mini twists with my hair in sections just makes it easier. I don't get overwhelmed quickly. It makes it easier for me to part the hair. You've noticed here, I'm not using anything on the whole hair. I just use a little of my daily living strengthener to curl up the tips because my hair is already really moisturized. Like I said, I had washed my hair 3 days before this. So that's why I'm not applying any other thing on the hair. But normally, if I don't have any product in my hair, I would have applied a leave-in treatment or a coiling cream or something. Twists have been my go-to hairstyle for length retention and hair growth. For this particular twist, I was aiming for something not too small and yet not too big. I didn't want a situation where I would choose to make it very, very tiny and halfway I'm already regretting my choices. My plan was to make sure I finished this in 2 hours, but I extended to almost 3 hours of making the hair. So that's something to keep in mind for those who want to make twists and small twists. Now, like I said, twists have been my go-to hairstyle, whether mini or chunky. I really enjoyed putting my hair in twists. There have been many benefits that I have seen. The beauty of twists is that the style can be made on hair of any length and texture. That's the truth. When my hair was very short, I put my hair in twists. As my hair is getting longer, I still enjoy putting my hair in twists. And for my type 4 hair, I really enjoy it in twists. Do mini twists have this magic power to grow your hair? The answer is no. But twists ensure that I do not manipulate my hair very much, which will lead to length retention. Twist also makes it easy for me to reach my scalp. So whenever I want to use any treatments or something, it will be easy to get to my scalp. Now I made the tight rope twists. I didn't make the loose ones. The loose ones will make the hair look more full, but I decided to just make the tight rope twists. Twists are easier for me to install than braids. Now I noticed that this second one was too small. I didn't want it so small. So I redid it. I did not braid the roots before twisting the hair because for me it's going to waste my time. That's going to really waste my time as I'm installing and also going to waste my time when I'm taking down the hair. Without braiding the roots, it will be easy for me to take down the hair when it's time to take it down. But braiding the roots makes the hair last a little longer. So if you want to do that, please feel free. But I just don't bother because, like I said, it's going to waste my time. I like twists because they are easy to maintain. Once I make my hair in twists, I don't need to do much with it anymore. I keep my hair moisturized and I also seal in that moisture so that it won't dry out. With twists, it is very easy for me to reach my scalp. It's easy for me to apply my hair growth oil and massage my scalp and know that it has gotten everywhere. When it's time for me to take down the twists, it is easier for me to take down twists than it is for me to take down braids. That's why I favor twists a lot when it comes to my hair. In order for me to see length retention when my hair is in twists, I don't treat my hair just anyhow. The first thing I do is I make sure I don't wear the twist down always, touching and rubbing on my clothes, because that's a very easy way for your hair to have split ends and for it to experience breakage. So I like to pack my twists very much. I sleep with a satin scarf. I moisturize and seal my twists often, depending on how fast it gets dry. But sometimes I can go up to 2 weeks before remoisturizing the hair. I make sure my hair doesn't get dry. I make sure I moisturize and seal in that moisture. Because if my hair is dry, it will become brittle and it will be very easy for it to break. I also use my hair growth oil on my scalp and make sure to massage my scalp lightly in order to promote blood circulation and to see growth of the hair. So putting your hair in twists is not guaranteed that it's just going to grow. Twists on their own do not grow your hair. They just help with length retention. It's the other things you do that help with the hair growth. If you've watched up to now, please give this video a thumbs up to tell YouTube that you're enjoying the video. If you're not subscribed to the channel and you like what you see, please subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, click on that bell, select the all options so that whenever new videos are posted, you'll be one of the first to get them. Which is your go-to protective style? Is it mini twists or just twists in general? Or do you prefer your hair in braids? Let me know in the comment section. If twists have helped you with length retention, please let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. To have a blessed day. I'll see you next time. Bye.